UnoFin is a range of decorative waterproofing renders for facades that provides an excellent textured finish by Pidilite Grupopuma, a joint venture between Pidilite Industries Limited and Grupopuma, Spain. Before applying, make sure that the substrate is flat, solid, clean and dry. Eliminate any dust or oil residues that may hinder the adherence of the product. Wet the substrate to check the surface absorption. Before rendering, a first coat of UnoFin ancillary primer should be applied on all concrete surfaces. Primer to water ratio should be 2:1. Primer improves adherence of render to the substrate. Before rendering, place the fiberglass mesh around the frames, columns, window blind boxes and in all joints between different substrates. This will prevent any stress cracks in future. A fiberglass mesh should be placed diagonally at the window corners. Make sure the mesh is anti-alkaline and suitable for the render. Fiberglass mesh must be placed by sandwiching in the render layers. Prepare a paste by mixing UnoFin Classic base coat with water. In case of higher undulations greater than 10 mm, UnoFin level base coat should be applied. Apply UnoFin Classic base coat on the wall before applying UnoFin renders. Provide corner profile for safety from damage, better termination and alignment of edges. Prepare a paste by mixing UnoFin prime cores with water. Mix manually or mechanically until a workable mixture is obtained. To apply UnoFin prime cores manually or mechanically, divide the substrate into zones with PVC strips. This zoning improves the overall aesthetics and it also smoothens the transitions between areas. Separation between horizontal joints should be 2.2 meters and 7 meters for the vertical joints. Spread the render slightly thicker than the PVC strips. Level the render with a straight edge until the surface is smooth. Use the float or scraped tool to give surface the required textured finish. To give rendered surface a scraped finish, the render must be applied in 2 mm extra thickness and then use the scraped tool to give required finish. Once it is completed, let it harden for 4 to 15 hours depending on the substrate and the climatic conditions. UnoFin decorative renders are rainwater-proof, crack and peel resistant. The products can be used on different types of substrates like AAC blocks, bricks and concrete directly. The product range available in different types: UnoFin Classic cores, UnoFin Prime cores, UnoFin Select cores, and UnoFin Select Stone Chip Finish. UnoFin range also provide UnoFin Ancillary Anti-Efflorescence product and UnoFin Ancillary Water Repellent product. In order to reduce the render thickness and hence making our solution more economical, it is recommended to shift brick masonry erection 10 mm outwards if brick work is not done. Reducing the overall thickness of the render to 15 mm thickness will lead to saving of time, cost and dead load of facade significantly. For any queries and more details, please call on customer care number 7710023492 or reach out on www.pidilitegrupopuma.com.